Hey guys, we're going to show you real quick how to get an easy access inside the electronic box for your engine high resolution. So here's the thing. Of course, first of all, you're going to unplug the tablet and you're going to put it on the side somewhere safely. Then you see we don't have the dock station over here right now. You probably have the plastic piece over here. So you're going to need the Phillips driver number 2. You're going to remove these 2 screws, the plastic piece which holding the tablet going to come out. You're going to put it on the side. Then you're going to have 2 Phillips flash mount screws over here. You're going to use your Phillips driver. You're going to take them out. So you're still going to have the cables over here, the USB cable and your charger for your tablet. So carefully take them out through this hole, because probably you have a little bit of sharp edges. Don't cut your wire, so put it on the side also safely. Then we already took out all screws. So here's the thing. You're gonna have 4 screws on the top. You're gonna see 1 Phillips screw over here, so you're gonna still need your Phillips driver. You're gonna see another Phillips screw over here. Then you're gonna see another Phillips screw over here. And the last one, it depends on what kind of version you got. So if it's old version, we do not have the top plastic cover on a cable chain. That means you're gonna have an easy access to your Phillips screw. If you're gonna see this kind of thing, you have to take out these 2 screws. Then you're just gonna kind of slide a little bit on the left your cable chain, and you're gonna have your access to the Phillips flash mount screw. You still can use your number 2 Phillips driver. So then you're still not able to open up your base. Of course, if you've been using filament or some other materials, you probably did install the spool rod over here. I'm going to recommend definitely to remove this spool rod holder from here and put it on the side somewhere. So you're going to have, it also depends on the version. Oldest version, they have 2 screws over here. The M5, you're going to need Phillips driver. I would recommend still use to number 2. If you do not see 2 screws over here, don't panic. It's a newest version with a 1 screw like you see right now on this video. Same thing from another side. You're gonna see 1 or maybe 2 Phillips screws. Take them out. Then make sure that you do have something on the back, like a box or something which is level with your base. Because if you're not gonna put anything safely on the back, whenever you open up the whole thing, this thing is pretty heavy and it's gonna just fall through somewhere. So you see we have like kind of stock boxes. Usually we're using like a regular power supply box. So make sure you have something on the back. Then carefully open up this and leave it like this. Now let's take a look inside. This one looks pretty messy, but we still have an access to our main tablet interface board. So what are we looking over here? We're looking for the fuses. We have 1 fuse over here, okay, and we have another fuse over here. Here's the thing. If you're on a revision 8, you do gonna see these fuses over here. If you're on a revision 7, that said, you won't be able to see these fuses.
And where can they tell what revision the board is?
So now let's take a look from the side where they can see the revision of the board. It's over here. It says revision 8.
Perfect.
And probably you guys gonna see a revision 7 also. We can show it to you over here. So we have these boards handy over here. So let's take a look. That's how it says revision 8 over here. And this is how it says revision 7. But like I said, if you're just trying to check which version you got, you don't have to even open up the whole box. You can see it from here because we got some space over there. Okay, I believe that's it.